My name is Kevin Crease. I'm the Director of E-commerce for WasteQuip. We have been a Salsify customer for about 4 years now. A strong D2C strategy would include scalability, would have to be dynamic, and also integrated. Salsify has had an impact on our go-to-market strategies in a couple of different ways. The first is by giving us a platform to create an environment that empowers our customers to make informed purchasing decisions. We do that by creating drill-down visual aids, collecting relevant product specifications, and implementing product taxonomy that's easy for them to navigate. Internally, we've become more informed by the data that we use Salsify for to give us another level of insights to our sales, to our overall product taxonomy, and for implementing automated workflows to get the right information to the right people.